Hey everybody, Damon here for Luxury Test Drives and Bring a Trailer. And we've got a 1964 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. I was looking at some of the specs and it looks like there was 22,000 of these made back in 1964. They all had a small block 327 engine, and there were more convertibles made than hardtops or coupes. So Sophie and I today are going to do a cold start. She's going to pull it out. We're going to do a walk around. I'm going to try to pick it apart. There's not much to pick apart. And then she's going to take off and do a test drive. And yeah, so that's it. So let's get started with the cold start part of this. So first thing we got to do is pop the hood. This car is a local Naples, Florida vehicle. It's always been in a climate controlled environment. It is absolutely amazing. It was restored, we believe, about 10 years ago, and whoever did the restoration, it was phenomenal. If you're looking in the engine bay, it's really, really amazing. This is the 327 300 horsepower engine. Here's the manifold. Cold. Actually, it's not cold, it's warm. If you were in Canada right now, it would be cold, but it's a balmy 97 degrees here with 187% humidity today. Engine bay is amazing. Show you the oil level is great. The car's been stored, as you can see. It's just in phenomenal condition. So Sophie, if you want to get in, and we will get it started up. It's been sitting in here for probably, I don't know, I'm gonna guess 2 or 3 days. We did move the cars around. We have a bunch of cars. We exclusively sell cars on Bring a Trailer. There's an XLRV that's on, really nice, another car. But hey, let's get back to the Corvette. This particular car, we have gone through from top to bottom. We put it on a lift. We looked underneath. You can see all the extensive pictures, and the car is in phenomenal condition. So it is a 4-speed. It is the 327 300 horsepower engine, numbers matching. So Sophie, if you want to fire it up, please do. Ha! I was in the back, but the exhaust comes out the side. Car runs great, always starts right up. We had the air filter off, just looking at the carburetor. I can't confirm that the engine was not rebuilt. Sounds almost like it has a little bit of a cam. Maybe that's factory. All of you Corvette experts will tell if you guys will know more about this thing than I do. All I know is condition, and the condition of this car is phenomenal. Doesn't smoke, doesn't drop. There's not a drop of oil underneath of it. It's stunning. So we'll do a drive with the top on. I'll have Sophie pull it out here. She hasn't driven a 64 Corvette. What a neat car. So I'm going to do the walk around and point out a few of the flaws that I can see. There's not many, but I can tell you there's a little bit of paint. This either bumped here or something, but there's a small imperfection there. If you go down and look at the sides of the car, whoever painted the vehicle when they restored it did an amazing job. I look at a lot of the lines on the headlights. Everything matches, the hood, the lines. The windshield's in phenomenal condition. This is exactly how we got the car. Hey. This is exactly how we got the car from the owner. who had it stored here in Naples, Florida. Like I said, in a climate controlled environment. But look at the bezels here are in really, really good condition. Oh, there's the blinker. Did you turn the blinker on? Other one? Oh, there you go. Brakes. Brakes. Perfect. Top is in amazing condition. There's a little bit of pitting right here in this chrome. All the rest of the chrome from here looks perfect. But if you look close, there's a little bit of pitting here. I'm suspecting that this is the original chrome, so it hasn't been re-chromed. This piece possibly could have been, because it looks like brand new. All of this has indication, for my guess, it looks like original glass. I would assume these are original wiper blades and arms. It's really stunning. It's got the aftermarket rallies. These are not factory wheels for this vehicle. I know you guys all know that, so I don't have to tell you something you don't know, but if you look around close here, you can see right here there was a little bit of an imperfection there. Looks like original, a lot of original pieces. I'm guessing, well, it's hard to tell. These probably are new. I mean, they look perfect. We'll take the top off in a little bit. So you ready for the test drive?
Ready?
Oh, you got a helicopter following you, so see if you can outrun him.